All right, welcome to Lose How To for homework. All right, for CIS 104, setting up a little home network router. Again, using Packet Tracer. Again, just a quick overview. Down here in the bottom, this is going to be your different devices. So this is going to be your devices, your computers, your components, your connectivity. So under devices, we're going to go to wireless devices. And then we're going to scroll over to where we see home router. So there's two home routers you can use. You can use this one or this one. And then we're going to need a PC and a laptop. All right. So we're going to cable these things up. So we're going to need a Ethernet cable. So we're going to just click on it once. Click, select our Ethernet. Click, select our Ethernet 1, 2, 3, or 4. And then our laptop, we're going to click on it. And then down here is the power button. So we're going to hit that. And then we're going to take the WPC 300N, pop that in there. If I did that correctly. And let's see if I did that correctly. Then we power it back on because you can't put peripherals in there. Then we're going to go to desktop. We're going to go to wireless. So we don't have the card in there. All right, so we're going to go back, turn it on, and we got to remove the card that's in there and then pop the card in there. All right. So then let's go ahead and power the laptop back on. And now we have our wireless. All right, great. So we're going to go to our router and configure it. So we're going to go to the graphical interface. Here we have our DHCP IP address. Here's for the IP address for the router. Here's where we're starting at 100. Then we're going to give out 50. So if we want to give more, we can. And we're going to just presume this guy is going to do the routing. So then we can just go ahead and put that in. And then hit the tab key. 0.1 would be our DNS. And we can go into the next thing we're going to do is go to our wireless. Here we have mixed modes. So in this particular one, we can do BG, GN, and so on. So we're just going to go ahead and pick. Doesn't matter. And then here's the default SSID. Go ahead and put in your name in there. For your SSID, you should never use the default SSID for security reasons. And then here's the different channels that we're going to use. Again, we should use channel 1, 6, or 11. So I'm just going to pick 11. And then we can hit security. If you want to sub security, you can. But for the homework, it doesn't require it. So then from there, we just close the router out. And then if we go to the PC card and then hit connect, hit refresh, this should show us our wireless SSID, blue and channel 11. That would make sense. We're going to click on it, click connect. And now we should be connected. So if we go back to desktop, hit the little X, hit the, you can see we have 100 IP. So there's our default gateway. All right. Then if we go to the PC, click on it, click desktop, click there, click DHCP. And then here this has 101. And then if we go back, click close on the blue, click the command and type in ping. And if I can spell ping correctly, then we're going to type in 192.168.0.100 and hit enter. There we go. You successfully set up a small little wireless network. Then at this point, we would just have to have a cable modem and stuff like that to make that work. All right, so that was the goal for this homework, was to set up a little wireless network with a wired network and have the two of them talking between each other. So just upload, just click File Save As, and just save it as your name and upload it in BB, and you're good to go. All right. Catch you next time.